Everybody, welcome back again. Here I'm going to talk a little bit about start-stop on a Porsche Cayenne. So this is a 2017 Cayenne. As we can see, it's got the little yellow start-stop symbol right there. Right now it's only on because the car is in park and it's not active. But since I've had this car for 8 months, that little warning has been on almost daily until just recently, where it actually was going on the green and functional. So the car had no faults indicating anything was wrong. It's never really had any issues until it started getting cold here, and then it started a slow crank. So I finally pulled the seat, got down to the battery, put a tester directly on the battery, and did a battery test. Battery test failed the battery, so I got a new battery put in, and now the system's functional again. I'm not a particular big fan of start-stop. I don't really like it all that much, but it works again. There was other little electrical issues going on. I had taillight warnings coming up occasionally, and an occasional headlight warning coming up, which is all stopped since the replacement of the battery. So what I wanted to say is, if you have any Porsche vehicle, Cayenne, Panamera, 911, Boxster, Cayman, and it's doing some unusual things, and your start-stop isn't working, and there doesn't seem to be a checked engine light or anything else going on, maybe get your battery tested and make sure that your battery is in good working condition. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching this. It was just something I ran across that I had assumed the battery was going bad in this car because it's 2017 and I didn't see any history of a battery being replaced, which this battery was the original, built in 2016, got the date stamp on it and everything. But anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching this. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out some other videos, and let me know other things you'd like to see in the comments. Help me grow the channel, and I'd really appreciate that. Thank you, and have a good day.